today I've got a little quiet spot this afternoon, so I thought with the house being empty I would do just a sounds video, and as you can see I have some playing cards, some normal size ones from Sports Direct. I don't know why they're from there. My mum must have picked them up. We've had them a while, but we don't really play cards. And then these ones, I think we might have got them out of a Christmas cracker, with them being like novelty mini ones. So I thought I'd have a play with them. Get the big ones out first. So they look like this. Oh. And they're just normal playing cards on the front. I don't really know any games I could play. I don't know any card games. I'm not very good at those kind of games, if you know what I mean. I don't do gambling either or anything like that, so I don't know how to play like any of the card games for money or just the card games for fun, except for Snap. I know how to play Snap, but that might be a bit loud. I don't know why, my parents have just never been into card games. My chest looks red. I've always liked the sound of cards, more so than things like paper. I've never tried to make like a tower out of cards either. I reckon I'd be pretty rubbish at it. Oh, 4 jacks together. 3, 4, and a king, and 3. remind me of Alice in Wonderland. Because of the Queen of Hearts and all her kingdom. Should we see the little ones? I've not seen these ones yet. A little box. Let's have a look. Tiny. Compare them. That's a normal size. They're the mini ones. Oops, some jokers. And a queen. Two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jack. They must not have been played with because they're all, well, some of them are in order. Queen, ace, 2, 3, 4, 7, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Jack. Ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jack, Queen, Ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Jack. I bet these are going to be difficult to get stacked back up. Definitely. I've just completed my second week of teaching on placement with uni, so I've got 3 more. And then I'll be back with my housemates, where I should be able to make some more videos, hopefully. Well, that's what I plan, because after the next 3 weeks I will have done all the teaching practice for this year, which which is really early, but that means then I can go back to uni and start my essays and assignments. And because I'll be focusing on those, I'll be needing a lot of me time, so I'll be able to make some videos. My most popular video is the ear cleaning video, which I can totally understand. So I'm thinking of doing another one of those because I really enjoy them. So I assume lots of other people do. And then lots of other role plays too. I also want to do a video about my ASMR experiences. I did do this video months ago when I first started the channel, but one of my housemates interrupted and I didn't get a chance to finish it, so I left it. I was playing with some books and some pages at the same time, and I realised afterwards that the books had my uni stamped on them, so I didn't really want to show those. I've returned them all now though, so I'm hoping to make that video again, but better. I have a couple of videos recorded that I just haven't edited because of time, and then thinking about them afterwards, I'm not that passionate about them, so I'd rather just upload something that I'm passionate about or that I think worked out really well. I don't want to put just videos on just to fill in the time between my bigger videos. I don't believe in that unless they're update videos. So this is kind of an update video and sounds. But I'm fine and videos are on their way, I hope, because I enjoy making them. So I guess I'll see you soon. Bye.